Hey guys, today we have this smart interactive robot dog that we've been kindly sent from the company. My kids are absolutely thrilled with this thing. They love playing with him. So he responds to voice commands and he comes with a remote, comes with some extra bullets. So let me show you how they play with him. So here is the remote. As you can see, there are so many different functions for him. All right, so they're going to show you some of their favorite tricks that they make their robot dog do.
I'm going to make him urinate. Oh, you chewed on my foot. I'm going to make him do a handstand. We're going to make it attack.
I love all the variety of lively movements that this thing can do. I love also that it can be easily programmed. It is such a different and unique interactive toy, so as a parent, I absolutely love this.
Overall, we love our smart robot dog.